Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me again. Welcome to Duxi Media Journals. Mr. Dahir Sajjad, welcome to Duxi Media. It's a pleasure for me really to invite you, the journal. So, welcome with open hands.
Thank you very much to invite me in Duxi Media channel. A pleasure for me to come to you.
Thank you as well. So, on 25th of June 2021, there is an incident that happened in your shop, Phoneland in Streatham. So, would you mind if you explain it how it happens, that incident, and how was it?
This happened 25th of night to something time, 2:35 or 2:37. Between 5 people came to my shop. Robber, they just like break the shutter, and after they break the glass door, after they 2 people standing outside, 3 people come inside, and they looted all my phones, expensive phones. This one is like around 25 to 30,000 pounds. His worth for farmer stock, and it's big loss for me. In my shop, actually, I have 3 kind of local security kind of things. One is just like I have very zone company. I pay them every month £52, and one is my private cameras, and I have one more extra private camera. I have 3 kind of, and main company is Verizon company. They have just like, if anything happen anytime, they need to invite me, call me, and call police also. Emergency, anything, they manage. They watch always 24 hour. They just in his job.
Did you contact the police?
Thank you very much. It's a good question. Actually, this Verizon company, they have job. They watch always in my shop. Then they need to call first. Anything happen, they need to call me or call police if any emergency, and after they need to call me to inform me what is going on. They call me around morning, around 2:40 something. I have exact time in my phone, but I can check if somebody need. 40 something, they call me. This told me we already call police, and police is going to reach there, and you can come also there. Then I said, oh, I'm just coming. Within 2 minutes, I call my friends. They are in front of my shop. When they came in front of my shop, there same time police came also within 2-3 minutes. But I think this is negligence from Verizon company, who call me and call police late. They let them do everything what they do. After when they go out, after they call police and after they call me, and after 4 minutes, they open the gas. If anybody come in the shop, they need to do within 5 to 15 seconds what they asked me first day when they put alarm in my shop. But unfortunately, I have my personal cameras. I check there. After 4 minutes, they open gas when they take all stock and they go out. After 4 minutes, total after 6 minutes they start this gas. I think they don't need to gas, but I don't know what they want to show.
Did you receive any message from the notification on your CCTV camera, the private one, or anybody contact you?
First call to me, Verizon company. I'm sleeping in my house, and Verizon company called me. Some people break your shop. They are inside. We already called police, and you can go there also. Same my shop, neighbor, some of my friends live there. I call them within few seconds, and within maximum 2 minutes they are in front of my shop. But this one, everything already finished. They already take everything. They gone already when they came down within 2 minutes.
And I got it. If the Virgin company call you, and by the time the incident happened in your shop, and how do you blame them that they are just neglected for their job?
They actually, before I have confidence with them, before I think maybe they are very good company, but when I talk with them first day, they say, first word what they say, when people came inside, we start gas same time, and after within few seconds they go out. But this is not right. They take 2 minutes break my shop, break the glass, come inside. 3 people come inside, and they take all my phones, around 30,000 pound, 25 to 30,000 pound phones, all expensive phones. All example, iPhone 12 Pro Max I have, 11 Pro Max I have, and some all expensive phones. Samsung also expensive phone I have. All phone they take 2 minutes, easy, relax, alarm working same time. But alarm company did not reply to them anything, no open gas, everything. But when I talk with them, they say when people enter, we start gas. Then I feel something. Then after when I check my my camera video, they're fully different. It's not what they say. Everything is different. Example, they came inside, they take 2 minutes in my shop. After 2 minutes, when they everything they take, and they go out after 4 minutes, they start gas. And I think they call police also same when they go out. Then I feel maybe they let them do everything what they do. After when they go outside, then they contact with everybody, contact police and contact with me and contact with the.
Okay, how many people they were consist of for the robbers?
Robber people, in my camera I catch 5 people. The 5 people came to in my shutter. They helped each others and they break the shutter. Some medals I receive, I give to police already. They use for breaking my shutter. And 3 people come inside, 2 people in the door outside. 5 people I can easy to see, very clear see in my video.
Okay, and as we know, and when it's happened accident like this, the police they normally do for investigation. Even they have lucky because they have a surveillance camera and CCTV camera basically. So and after basically it was 25 of June till now. Do you have any information or any update from the police?
My case actually very interested. You know why?
Yeah.
First in all, big thing, they take my personal phone. My personal phone 11 Pro Max, and same night I put my iCloud inside my iCloud and my SIM card inside. They take also. Next day they open my phone. Ilford, I have address, I have a house, everything I know. They open my phone there. They turn on my phone there. I have fully proof my location, last location. I try to request police before when I see my location. Police said, okay, you can just iCloud is not exact position. Maybe one house up, right and left. And if you know proper exact place, then we can help you to action there. After I go there, one or two my friend, we go together there. This is 26 morning we go there on Saturday. We go there, we stay full day there outside the house and in the street. We did not find anybody this house in or out. Afternoon we find one couple, they want to go inside and we talk with them. And we ask them, this happens, house is located in my phone, iCloud location in your house. And they say we are not about this, we don't know about this topic. But in my house, in our house, they have 10 studio flat. Different 10 studio flat. Different people came here, go, we don't know each other's. Everybody have separate kitchen and toilet. And always they have different national, different peoples. Same time I call police. I request, I am already inside house, but the door is closed. Can you help me something? And police, I'm not blaming, maybe for them, this is not big case. But for me, this is very, very big thing for me. Just like 25 to 30,000, this is my everything. Yeah. For me, this is, after I lost this one, that means I lost my all life, everything saving, everything I lost. For me, very, very big thing. But still, until now, I waiting for a reply from police, but I did not reply. They did not reply to me anything until now.
And when did you start this business for call it phoneland? shop, Streatham?
Actually, this is I do last 10 year, but in Streatham I open shop last 7 year already, and just like last 7 year I do this business there in Streatham.
That's great, really. And hopefully, the way you build your business early, you're gonna build it again, and hopefully everything will be alright. And as you early mentioned it that there were 5 robberies, and one of them or 2 of them, whatever it is, did you recognize their faces?
Actually, I checked my last 1 month videos. I feel some, but this is just like blame someone. I don't want blame anyone.
Yeah.
Mostly my customers, all internet, all kind of peoples.
Yeah.
And the people came inside. There are 5, and I think what my sense, I did not see them before. I think, but if you can see my video.
Hold on. That time is also they were the 5.
They different time actually when they came to robbery my shop. There are 5 people. Before actually I'm not sure actually. I cannot give exact. I see them or no. They cover his face, and in my video you can see in his face also. But I think they're not from this area. What in my feelings, they come from Ilford side somewhere, and I'm doubt with Verizon company. They have group. They know what they do. Camera teams. They must be involved. I don't blame to Verizon full company, but in my thinking and what they give me information, first day when I call, second day when I call, third day call, what I feel doubt in his operator must be involved in this matter.
And how long it takes to loot it, all the things in your shop?
In that period, inside my shop, they take 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes. They break the shutter, break the glass, come inside, take all phones. There are 3 people, and they come with big bags, and they exact take 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
So their operation is done within 2 minutes?
Within 2 minutes, operation done. Police come after 3 to 4 minutes, police also there.
Mr. Sajjad, since it's happened this incident in your own shop, phoneland shop in Streatham, what are you going to do for the future, and what's your second plan on it?
This happened 25th of June, and same day to until now, I did not sit down. I did not take any rest. I changed all my shutters, all doors, and I bring some extra safe in my shop inside, alarm, personal cameras, and I hope in future is if someone come, it's difficult for them to take anything, and still I'm waiting for hopes. Police still to recover my loss is big loss for me. This is big saving for me, a big gap. I hope I can cover. I try my best. I struggle hard, and I hope it takes 6 months to 1 year. But I hope police, if they do as soon as I can recover my more stock, everything. But if they take more longer and less, maybe I can get my stock. And in the end, I thank you very much to my all friends who helped me this situation morally and financially also. I'm really very, very thankful to you guys. You helped me a lot.
What would you like to tell for the other businessmen in local to be secure their own business? Since it's happening to you, it can be happening same to them.
This is a very good question also for all my colleagues and my friends. What I do, I make extra security in my shop. Cameras improve, shutter new, glass strong, and I bring first big safe, very heavyweight safe, which one is not easy to break. And every evening, before closing, I pack everything and I keep in the safe. He's fireproof and he's waterproof, and I hope he's also thief proof. And he make me a little bit certifications when I go home. And I request all my friends and all colleagues, all shop-mate people, first I'll bring for heavy safe. It's good for you. He help you a lot. nobody can break easy. And second thing, put your personal cameras. Don't rely only other third parties. This is my experience. I request you, this is what I do. And in soon future, I try my best. If some of my friends, they give me more advice, I try to follow them. I hope next don't have any more happen. And this gap, I hope within 6 months to 1 year, I can cover with my great friends. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dahir Sajjad, that you've been accepting my invitation for Dux Media. And I just want to conclude the interview in here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.